In this question, you have to choose the option that includes the correct statement regarding lipids. Statement A: lipids having only single bonds are called unsaturated fatty acid. Now, this statement is incorrect. Lipids with only single bonds are called saturated fatty acids. Unsaturated fatty acids contain one or more double bonds between the carbon atoms. Statement B: lecithin is a phospholipid. Now, this is correct. Lecithin is indeed a phospholipid and it is a very important component of cell membranes. Statement C: trihydroxypropane is glycerol. Now, this is also correct. Glycerol is chemically trihydroxypropane, that is, propane with three hydroxyl groups attached to it. Statement D: palmitic acid had 20 carbon atoms, including carboxyl carbon. Now, this statement is incorrect. It has actually 16 carbon atoms and not 20. Thus, the correct answer is option D, which includes the statement B and C, both of which are correct.